Hello everyone, in this exercise of the Solidworks, we will make this sheet metal part. Thickness of this part is 3 mm and this length is 160 mm from here to this end, and width is the 50 mm. This angle is called 135. We will make also a bend table also and make a flattened view of this part, and these are the two holes at a distance of 50 mm here, 12 mm dia holes, and these are the center slots here, two slots at the top face and the bottom face. Okay, so let's start. So file new, plain white. Unit system is I am taking millimeter gram. I am taking front plane, sketch, time, this one, this one, this length, this angle is equal to 135. Total distance from here to here 160 as per drawing, and this length is 50 mm. Height of this is 10 mm. Okay, and height is 10 mm, 160, and this length is 50 mm. Sketch is fully defined. In the sheet metal, I go in the base flange, this one, but you will see the thickness is moving upside, but as per drawing, thickness is 3 mm, thickness is moving up direction. I am taking reverse direction, and this is the blend. I am taking mid plane. Total width of the part is equal to 50 mm. Total, this one. This is the total width is this one. Total length is from here to here 160 mm. Bend factor 0.5. Relief, auto relief, we will not provide any relief. Okay, this is the part. Now in the drawing you will see there is a hem. Hem is of the 48 length. This is open hem, and between the distance between these inner faces is 20 mm. So I will draw window part. Hem, sheet metal. I select this edge and this one. I am taking this hem, open hem, and 48 mm is the distance from material inside. I am selecting this material inside. If this is the material outside, but I am as per drawing material inside, and total length of the flange is 48 mm from this side, and this distance to between the inner this face or this face, inner face is the hem. Hem is this, and select this face, sketch as per drawing. This, and third point is this one. Right, this one. Select this point, shift this point vertical. Okay, radius is equal to 90 mm. Okay, select this shift key, this one, tangent, this one, line, this one, this one, this one, this one, right. You can take any suitable dimension. 5 mm I am taking, just beyond that. In the sheet metal, go in the sheet metal, extrude cut, blind, link to thickness. Link to thickness means metal will cut up to the thickness, this one. Now select this face, sketch. There is a center, there is a slot here. There is one slot here and also in the bottom side. So select this face, normal, I am this using this center slot. This one, this one. Radius of this is the 4 mm. 4 mm. This distance is 10 mm. One center line. Meet. This is this one. Right click this one. Select this one. Vertical relation. Center line. This one. This one horizontal. Fully defined. Select is fully defined. But there is a cut of 3 mm here. But what I will do for this line, first you select a point, mark the point to here. This one and this one. 2 point I mark, take the line. This one, take. Select this line, shift this line, shift this line. This is symmetric. Okay. This is coincident with this. And this distance is this one and this 3 mm as per drawing. Fully defined scale. Sheet metal, extrude cut. This time through all. Selected contour because there are more than one close boundary. Select this one, and this one. Through all. But will take. Okay, this will cut. There are also 2 holes here. Catch. This one. Select. Equal. Line. This one. Horizontal. This is 12 mm. Line. Join these 2 circles. This distance is 50 mm. 50 mm. Select this line, horizontal. And this distance from here to here 25 mm. Fully defined scale. Okay. Extrude cut, sheet metal, extrude cut, length to thickness. Blind, length to thickness. This way we have it. Okay. And sheet metal, there is a corners, break corners. Select this face, select this face also. This face. There is a fillet of 5 mm providing. This one. First, this one, fillet, 5 mm and this face. This one, 5 mm fillet I provided. So we can put material apply, right click, edit material. Yeah, I said 1020, apply, close. Okay. From here, in the feature tab, click here. Up in front of the part, there is appearance section. Click here, appearance. This one, this color you can put. Okay, close it. This way, I have made the isometric view. This is the part. So this is the part of the sheet metal as per drawing we have made. We will make a drawing from here. Drawing, we can, for the drawing, we go in the file, make drawing from the part, this one. File must be say, okay, sheet metal part, you can give the name of the part. Sheet metal part 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one. Save. I have saved this. There are various sheet format. You can select from here. I am selecting A3 ISO, A3 ISO, sheet size 420, 29/7. In that, this is the task pane. In the task pane, there is a view palette. In the view palette, the part comes here. If the part doesn't come here, you can click it and browse it, and the select required part you can select here. Okay, but part is available for me. This is the fresh button. You can cancel from it. Front view, sheet, right click, properties. You can change the scale from here, and angle of projection you can change also. Okay, third angle projection. Palette. I'm taking the front view. This is the front view, and if you move the cursor up, this is the top view, and this is if you move in the diagonal, this is the isometric view, and this is the right hand view. At the right bottom, you will see the scale of the sheet. Click it. There are predefined scales here. You can select any one, or I am using the user defined. I am selecting from here 1.5. 1.5. The part becomes. This is the parent view. If you drag this parent view, the other view also move. You can see this one. Select it, and this one. You can high quality also can give. The view becomes more sharp. In this way, you can. They are the due to band radius, you can remove the tangent edges. Tangent edge removed from here. Right click, tangent edge removed. So sheet from this becomes a plain sheet here. In this way also, right click, tangent edges remove. Okay, this is the thing. So now this is the plain sheet here. Now one thing more, will click the view. This is the hidden line visible. Left hand side display style. This is the left. This is the band lines. In the same way, this view, band lines visible. This way you can show the display. You can also take the flatten view also from here. Sheet metal parts, refresh button. This is the flatten view. You can take the flatten view. Take the. Okay, this is the flatten view. If you want to take the band table, select the view. Suppose these things are you feel some uncomfortable in this. So select this view, go in the annotation, and there is table, band table here. You can band. Select the view, and this is the nomenclature ABC 1, 2, 3, and this is the table borderline. You can change from here, also from this one. Okay. Format you can give here. Select this. Table comes here. This is the band table. If you select this one, select this letter. If you want to this one, you can select this, hold it. You can increase the letter size also, 14 mm. This way you can edit. You can small, make, edit. In this way you can adjust the things. And this is the band table. A letter, the direction is up, 180-degree angle, 10 mm radius inside. Down, 45-degree, B in this way, then this way. Okay, you can hear. You can now the smart dimension. You can give smart dimension. Thickness of the sheet is our sheet thickness is. You can see dimension. This is the sheet thickness. 3 mm. This is the angle of this. This is the 10 mm height. Okay. The 10 mm angle. Sorry, smart dimension angle 135 degrees. Smart dimension shift this is 48 mm. This one inside radius, this distance 20 mm. Radius 10 mm. Outer radius 13 mm, because thickness of the sheet is the 3 mm. Inside radius 10 mm. Inside radius. Smart dimension shift shift 160. This width is the 160. This width 50 mm. Holes 12 mm. You want to write here something, this one, two numbers into this one. You can write it in this way. Distance between the holes you can write from here. Radius of this 4 mm. Center mark for this, you can is the center mark. Also, this is the two center mark. Smart dimension total 14 mm. This is the radius of this. Distance, this is the 3 mm. Here, this is the 3 mm. Distance from here, shift 25 mm. Okay. You can add the bend table. Also, you want to write some note here, you can write it. Flatten view. For example, flatten view. This one you can write. This one you can bold it, increase the letter size 22. This way you can select. Suppose you want to select it, others, layers, format layer. Okay, you can. I think I have done dimension made every dimension I have made here. Plot this one. Okay, and this smart dimension, inner radius of the this radius is 6 mm. Band radius, but inner radius is 3 mm. Inner radius is 3 mm. can note it properly. This is 3 mm, inner side it is 3 mm. Because sheet thickness is 3 mm, you can give this. This way we can provide them. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please subscribe my this channel and like, share also. Thank you. Thank you.